मैन शी डिड नॉट लाइक वुड फाइंड द पिक्चर. अब वो परेशान थी कि वो आदमी अगर जिसको पोर्शिया पसंद नहीं करती है उनमें से इसमें से किसी ने उसको वो वाला बॉक्स मिल गया पिक्चर वाला, तब वो क्या करेगी. बट स्टिल शी इंटेंडेड टू डू व्हाट हर फादर हैड आस्क्ड. लेकिन फिर भी वो जो है वो करना चाहती थी जो उसका बाप चाहता था. When they heard about this plan, जब उसने उन लोगों ने इस बारे में सुना, many men did not dare to guess at all, and they went away. और कुछ लोग जो कि वहां पर आए थे शादी करने के लिए पोर्शिया से, वो उसमें वहां से भाग गए. They were afraid to lose. वो हारने से डरते थे. Because that would mean they would have to stay unmarried for the rest of their lives. क्योंकि इसका मतलब ये था कि उन्हें अपनी सारी जिंदगी जो है वो गैर शादीशुदा रहना पड़ेगा. This pleased Portia. इस बात ने पोर्शिया को खुश कर दिया. For she had not liked any of the men who had come to see her. क्योंकि वो उनमें से किसी को पसंद नहीं करती थी जो कि वहां पर आए थे उसको देखने के लिए. She told her servant Nerissa. उसने अपनी खादमा एक नेरेसा को बताया that they were all rather uninteresting. कि ये सब गैर दिलचस्प हैं. और had no sense of humor. और were always very cross. और ना ही किसी जो है कोई sense of humor रखते हैं. One of the men who did dare to choose was a prince from Morocco. अब उनमें से एक प्रिंस ऑफ मोरक्को था जिसने इस चीज को एक्सेप्ट किया कि वो किसी एक बॉक्स को चूज करेगा. He chose the gold box. उसने गोल्ड बॉक्स को चूज किया. He thought that only a gold box would be good enough for Portia's picture. उसने सोचा कि सिर्फ एक गोल्ड बॉक्स ही है जो कि एक अच्छा बॉक्स है पोर्शिया की तस्वीर के लिए. Also, there was some writing on the outside of the box. अब उस बॉक्स के बाहर कुछ लिखा भी हुआ था. क्या लिखा हुआ था? It said, "The man who chooses this box shall get what many men wish for." अब उस पर लिखा हुआ था कि वो शख्स जो कि इस बॉक्स को चूज करेगा, इस बॉक्स को सिलेक्ट करेगा, वो पाएगा इसमें से जो जिसकी वो सारी जिंदगी जो काफी लोग जो हैं ख्वाहिश रखते हैं. Why that means the lady, the prince said to himself. प्रिंस ने अपने आप से कहा कि इसका मतलब है कि ये खातून यानी कि पोर्शिया. All the world desires her. पूरा जो है हमारा दुनिया जो है इसको चाहती है, इसकी ख्वाहिश रखती है. They come from the four corners of the earth, across seas and deserts, just to look at the beautiful Portia. So if I choose what many men wish for, that surely must mean her picture will be in the box. But when he opened it, लेकिन जब उसने इसको खोला, he found only a picture of skull. तो उसके अंदर क्या था? Picture of skull, एक खोपड़ी की तस्वीर थी. To remind him of death, जो कि उसको मौत की याद दिलाती थी. Which is what many people wish for, जिसकी बहुत से लोग ख्वाहिश रखते हैं. When they are old and sick and sad, जब वो बूढ़े हो जाते हैं या बीमार हो जाते हैं या फिर उदास होते हैं. The prince was very unhappy. जो प्रिंस था वो बहुत नाखुश हुआ. The next one to guess was the Prince of Aragon from Spain. अगला आदमी जो था वो Prince of Aragon था स्पेन से. He did not choose the gold box because he thought the words many men meant all the ordinary people in the world. उसने gold box को choose नहीं किया. The Prince of Aragon was a proud man. वो एक बहुत ही proud man था. He would never want what everybody else wanted. वो कभी भी वो चीजें select नहीं करता था, वो चीजें नहीं चाहता था जो कि सारी दुनिया चाहती थी. Instead, he chose the silver box. उसने silver box को choose किया. On the silver box, these words were written. The man who chooses this box will get what he deserves. वो आदमी जो कि इस बॉक्स को चूज करेगा वो पालेगा जिसका वो हक रखता है. This seemed fair that thought the prince. He knew that there were people coming to see Portia who were not as good as they seemed. Those people did not deserve to marry Portia, but he was not like them. He was the Prince of Aragon, a very important, rich young man, and he was sure he deserved a wife as good, beautiful, and rich as Portia. The prince was very hopeful when he opened the box. वो बहुत ही पूर्वउम्मीद था जब उसने बॉक्स को खोल रहा था वो जब. However, inside was not the beautiful picture of Portia that he expected, but the picture of the mad fool. लेकिन जो वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था कि इस पिक्चर के अंदर पोर्शिया बॉक्स के अंदर पोर्शिया की पिक्चर होगी वो नहीं थी. उसके अंदर क्या था? पिक्चर ऑफ मैड फूल. He too went away disappointed. वो भी मायूस होकर चला गया. Then Portia heard that Bassanio had arrived. He had brought with him a friend called Gratiano. अब बेसेनियो वहां पर पहुंचा. He had brought with him a friend. वो अपने साथ अपने एक दोस्त को लेके गया जिसका नाम था ग्रेशियनो. ग्रेशियानो वॉज इन लव विद नेरिसा. अब वो नेरिसा को पसंद करता था, पोर्शिया की जो सर्वेंट थी, एंड होप टू परसुएट नेरिसा टू मैरी हिम while Bassanio was asking Portia to be his wife. When Bassanio appeared, Portia welcomed him very kindly. She was pleased he had come and she wanted to marry him. She was very worried that he would choose the wrong box as the others had done. Portia wanted to help him to find the right one, but she knew she must not. She asked Bassanio to wait some time before he chose, so that they could be together for a while. She knew if he made a mistake and chose the wrong box, they could never be married and she would never see him again. But Bassanio would not wait. He was anxious to know what would happen, so he was shown the 3 boxes of silver, gold, and lead. Bassanio thought for a long time. उसने बहुत देर तक वो उसने सोचा. Finally he decided, और फिर फैसला किया. Gold and silver looked precious and beautiful, but many things that were evil or had no value could be made to look precious and beautiful. Lead was a plain, ordinary metal. It did not pretend to be better than it was. He thought it was honest. On the box, these words were written. The man who chooses this box will be taking a great chance. He might lose everything he has. That was honest too, that thought Bassanio. So he chose the lead box. Portia watched him make the right guess with delight. Bassanio opened the box and inside it he saw the picture of Portia. अब lead box के अंदर Portia की picture थी. He turned to Portia and saw that she was as pleased as happy as he was. She immediately told him that she loved him very much. She then took a ring for her finger and gave it to Bassanio. अब उसने पोर्शिया भी इस बात से बहुत खुश हुई कि मेरी पिक्चर उसमें से निकल आई है, क्योंकि वो खुद बेसेनियो को पसंद करती थी. उसने फौरन अपनी किसी फिंगर में से एक रिंग निकाली और बेसेनियो को दी ताकि वो उसको पहनाए. Portia said that he must never give the ring away. If he did, their love would end. Bassanio accepted the ring happily and promised never to lose it or give it away. Thus, Portia and Bassanio promised to be faithful to each other. The trial of Antonio. Graciano and Nerissa were in the room at the same time, and they had been watching what was happening. वो सब देख रहे थे जो भी हो रहा था. Graciano now came forward and said he hoped Portia and Bassanio would be happy. He said that he and Nerissa would like to be married at the same time. Portia and Bassanio were very pleased and agreed at once. But then something happened which worried them all a great deal. A messenger arrived with a letter for Bassanio from his friend Antonio, who had borrowed money from Shylock for him. Bassanio's face became pale as he read the letter. लेकिन इस सब के दौरान एक मैसेंजर आया और वो एक लेटर लेकर आया, और वो लेटर जो है वो एंटोनियो के फ्रेंड शाइलॉक की तरफ से था, जिसमें के लिए जिससे पैसे लेकर दिए थे उसने बेसेनियो को. और जैसे ही उसने लेटर बेसेनियो ने खोला, उसका जो है रंग वो जर्द हो गया. It contained very bad news. Portia quickly asked what had happened, and now, for the first time, Bassanio told her about the money that Antonio had given him. He told her too about Antonio's agreement with Shylock. अब उसने सब कुछ जो है वो पोर्शिया को बता दिया. In this letter, Antonio said that his ships had not come back to port. अब उस लेटर में क्या था कि एंटोनियो ने लिखा था कि उसकी शिप्स नहीं आई. They had been wrecked at sea and all the valuable goods on them had been lost. Antonio had no money to pay back his debt to Shylock, and the date for him to do this had already passed. He would have to give Shylock a pound of his flesh. I am now certain to die and want to see you, Antonio wrote. Antonio ने ये सब सिचुएशन उसको बताई और ये बताया कि मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है और अब मुझे, क्योंकि डेट आ रही है उसको पैसे देने की, तो अब मुझे जो है अपने गोश्त का कोई बॉडी के किसी भी हिस्से में से गोश्त का टुकड़ा देना पड़ेगा. The messenger told them that Shylock had gone to the Duke of Venice to ask him to deal with the matter. Shylock wanted Antonio to pay him his pound of flesh immediately, and so poor Antonio was now in prison waiting for his trial. When Portia heard this terrible story, she wanted to help in any way she could. She offered to pay Shylock much more than the 3,000 ducats he was owed. She told Bassanio to go and help his friend as quickly as possible. However, Portia insisted on one thing. They must be married before Bassanio left Belmont. So all four of them, Portia, Bassanio, Nerissa, and Gratiano, went at once to the church and were married. Bassanio and Gratiano then left their wives and went straight back to Venus. अब उन लोगों ने सब कुछ डिसाइड किया. पोर्शिया ने डिसाइड किया कि वो बेसिनियो की हेल्प करेगी, लेकिन वो वीनस जो है बेलमॉन्ट छोड़ने से पहले चाहती थी कि वो बेसिनियो उससे शादी कर ले, तो वो शादी करने के बाद जो है वो यहाँ से जाए और फिर अपने फ्रेंड की हेल्प करे. Portia thought a great deal about the problem. She wanted to save Antonio's life because he had been so generous to her husband Bassanio. Finally, she wrote a letter to the cousin of hers, who was a well-known and clever lawyer. His name was Dr. Bellerio. She asked him for his advice, and she also asked him to lend her some lawyer's clothes. Dr. Bellerio immediately sent her the clothes and told her how Antonio should be defended at his trial. Portia decided what she would do. She told her friends and servants that she was going away for a few quiet days until her husband returned. Then she told Nerissa about her plan. She had decided to go to Venus and she wanted Nerissa to go with her. However, Portia did not want anyone to recognize her when she was there, so she and Nerissa dressed themselves up in men's clothes. अब ये सब जो है वो पोर्शिया एक ड्रामा क्रिएट कर रही है उसकी हेल्प करने के लिए. They set off for Venus looking like two young men. Bassanio and Gratiano arrived in Venus, where the trial would soon begin. Under the direction of the Duke of Venus, Antonio and Shylock were brought before the Duke. The Duke asked Shylock to give up the cruel demand and not to take a pound of Antonio's flesh, but Shylock would not agree. Antonio had made the promise, and so he must keep it. He said. Then Bassanio offered to pay Shylock twice as much money as he was owed. Still, Shylock would not let Antonio go. The laws of Venus allow me to demand a pound of Antonio's flesh because he has broken our agreement. I hate Antonio and I will not be persuaded. I would rather have Antonio's flesh than any money I am offered. Turning to the Duke, Shylock said, "Will you permit me to do what I have a right to do, and or have you no respect for the laws of Venus?" So this was all for the 3 chapters. Uh, Rest of the chapters will be done in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. I will come with the next video on Friday. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.